right, here is the best way to organize your Lego instruction booklets. You get a 3-ring binder, and you can buy these off Amazon, and they Velcro open and close, and you can put your instructions inside of these. You can, let's see, let me show you. Like this one, there's 3 in here. They all fit in here nicely. And it's really easy for kids to use. They can look for what they need, and it doesn't fall out. The first time I did this, I used regular clear plastic, whatever these are called, sheets, and all the instruction booklets kept falling out the top, and it was a big mess. So I don't recommend those, but these are really great. You can get them off Amazon. So I just have 2 binders filled, and I highly recommend it.